So now, to be able to run our first Flutter app, you need to create a virtual device. Another option is, if you have an Android phone, you can activate developer mode on that phone, then plug it into your Mac computer, and you will see an option for that phone right here. Click on it, and then you can run using debug mode or not. But for us, let's see how we can create an emulator on Android Studio. You come right here on Device Manager, click on it, and then you click on this Add button, create a virtual device. Click on it, and then you have options to create a virtual device from phones, tablets, desktop, and so on. For the phone, we'll select this Pixel 5, just click on Next. Here you can name your device, so let's make this a virtual Pixel 5, and then you have to target your API. So because I'm using Android in a Mac computer with M1 chip, I found out that API 33 is the best for me to run my emulator without having any problems. Once you select this option, you can click right here to select it and download it. Click on yes, accept the conditions, click next, and this will download the image for your virtual emulator. So once this download is completed, we'll do the next steps. And you can see right here, I have now my virtual device created. So just click on start, give some times, and you will see this device will run. For the first time, it will take a few minutes, but after that, you can use it without having any issues. So notice right here, while my device is loading, that now I have an option to select my virtual Pixel 5. Click on this option and you can come right here. You have to be inside of this main dot. This is because the main method, this is the entry for our application. So come right here, you can run, or you can run on debug mode. Just click on run, and this will take again a few minutes because the app is installing for the first time. So just be patient, and after that you will see this Flutter template right here. So this is the default template that comes with Flutter when you create a new project. So right here we have this class, my app, which is extending a stateless widget, and inside of it we are calling another class which is my home page, which now extends a stateful widget. The difference between stateless widget and stateful widget is that stateless widget don't keep track of data, while the stateful widget will track data. You can see that we have a counter, and we have this is a method, increment counter, and inside of this method we are calling another method which is a set state. And notice that this set state is incrementing this counter by 1. And we are calling this increment counter inside of this float action button right here on the on press. We are calling this counter will increment by 1. You can see this by clicking on this counter right here, and you can see that this number is being incremented, and you can see right here on the status the counter is equal to 3 now. So this is the default template that comes with Flutter when you create a project and you use the application template. So what do I want to do now is show you how we can now separate these classes from this main dot. If you come right here inside of your lib folder, click on this option and click on new Dart file, and you can name this file now home. Enter. You can come right here, copy these two classes, cut it, and paste inside of your home right here. You can change right here the class name now to be home, or you can leave as it is. We have an error right here inside of this file. This is because we have to import now this statement, because Flutter needs to import the material.dart package. So just save everything now. We have error right here in the main. You come right here, click on this bolt right here, and then you have to import this home.dart. Save everything, and you will notice this app will reload it and it still work the same. But now we have our main.dart only having the entry method for our application, and then we are calling my homepage widget inside of this home.dart file. So this is it for this video. See you on the next one.